Hello, my name is Enrique. I am going to tell to you like a good feast and festival of my Ortega, Tolima. Dance commonly held every year and there's once more Yule, an edition and tune show traditional and where international artists participate and national and beautiful one. From and regions participant in the coffee region. They participate web place and because they have seems humility and your faith Ortega. Community at attracting different colonies and people you arrive in the beautiful municipal. That is why into how people will come and family and prospering is municipal and we have time to forget it. Bye bye.